23, we'll get 0.6 into expand 10 raised to power 3. So 1 and 3 zeros. So 0.6 multiplied by 1000. So in the next step, what we'll do, we'll just multiply it normally and place the decimal after counting one digit. Okay, so the actual number is 600. So the size of sun, or the diameter of sun, is 600 times the diameter of Pluto. In the next question, it is given that the distance of sun and earth is 1.4 into 10 raised to the power 11 meter. Okay, so the distance between sun and earth, this is sun, this is earth, and the distance between them is 1.49 into 10 raised to the power 11, and the distance between Venus and sun is 1.08 into 10 raised to the power 11. So there is this sun. Okay, there is this sun, and in between there is Venus, and the distance between the sun and Venus is 1.08 into 10 raised to the power 11 meter. We have to find the distance between Venus and sun. What would be the distance between Venus and sun? So the total distance between sun and earth is given, and the distance between sun and Venus is given. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find the distance between Venus and earth. So from the total distance, if we subtract the distance between sun and Venus, we will get the distance of Venus and earth. So distance between Venus and earth can be calculated how? By subtracting the distance of sun from earth and distance of Venus from sun. So place the values. Distance of sun from earth is 1.49 into 10 raised to the power 11 minus 1.08 into 10 raised to the power 11. So since, as you can see, that the powers are same, so just take the power common. 10 raised to the power 11 को common ले लिया. Okay, just take it common. So that would leave 1.49 minus 1.08. Just do the simple subtraction. So you will get 0.41, and then at the end just write into 10 raised to the power 11 meter. So this is the distance between Venus and earth. Okay, what you have to do, you just have to subtract. So 1.49 into 10 raised to the power 11 minus 1.08 into 10 raised to the power 11. To do the calculations, to do the subtraction, you will just take 10 raised to the power 11 common. Okay, into 1.49 minus 1.08, then do the simple subtraction, and you will get the answer. So distance between Venus and earth is 0.41 into 10 raised to the power 11 meters. In the next question, they have given that there are 5 books in a stack. There is a bundle, okay, and there are 5 books, and the thickness of each book is 20 millimeter. While there are also few papers, 5 papers are there, and thickness of each paper is 0.016 millimeter. Okay, this is millimeter. So we have to find the total thickness of the stack, means all the 5 books and 5 papers are kept one over the other, and what would be the thickness of whole stack. So the thickness of 5 books, how would you calculate? You know the thickness of one book, and you have to find the thickness of 5 books. एक book की thickness पता है, 5 books निकालनी है. What we'll do? Simple multiplication. So 5 into thickness of one book. So 5 into 20 millimeter, that would be 100 millimeter. Then thickness of 5 papers, you know the thickness of one paper. Okay, thickness of one paper you know, and if you want to find the thickness of 5 paper, you just multiply. So 0.01